Welcome to Immigration and Allied Solution. My people, the opportunities currently available in the United States is paramount. The work permits, the study permits, the job opportunities are definitely there. H1B is the biggest challenge and problem, and that is why the 45th and 47th President Donald Trump has actually changed the H1B. However, there are other visa opportunities as well, such as EB1, O1A, and O1B, EB1B, EB1C, EB1C2 is also there. Also, the opportunities such as F1 and M1 as well as B1 and L1 is there for you to migrate to the United States and contribute to the economy and contribute to yourself. We are at the pinnacle of immigration. We have a 27 years of experience and we make the opportunities lot real. We make the opportunities quite familiar that can help you to sustain your goals towards foreign life. Now there are such a certain prejudices regarding the foreign immigration, and people say that why we should travel or work abroad while we can do everything in India or Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka or Myanmar, Singapore, and then Vietnam and Lagos or Cambodia. Well, we can say that definitely you can do your place very well, but over here the life's growth, the life's opportunity are 10 times fold. The work attitude or the work strategy that this particular nation has implemented is completely out of the scenario. I mean, I think if you have heard about 10x growth, these nations, they actually teach you how to do a 10x growth towards your own career. If you're doing one job, how to multiply that job into 10 times of more income, and such about networking, your basically your work recognition, your self recognition, and the value that you bring forward for these particular nations or for this particular community. Now there is no pressure, there is no mandatory that you have to bring this kind of things. You can also skip it and live the life normally and live the life as happy as it lucky goes. But please remember that there are very few limited resources as of now due to lot many challenges, economical challenges, global warming challenges, and as such I am no one to tell you all this. You can do it very well through the internet TV and channels. So my friends, as these are the conditions that are currently happening in the world, the immigration to US can definitely help you to make yourself life successful and famous. And definitely visas are there, and they are providing the visas. Over the media, anything can happen. Anything can happen. The media and news outlets or the news TV channels, they can show you or tell you anything, but in truth, the opportunities are there. So definitely apply, and this is the time where you can get the visas very easily. So thank you very much, and I wish you a good day. I will see you in the next video very soon.